So hello everyone, it's Ali Mule. So I have been diagnosed with like thinning of hair for in my 18th year. I have recognized it frequently due to my hair loss frequency. So I have visited this Radiance clinic, which has been a boon to my life since I have been losing a lot of hair. I was a bit underconfident, as you may see that like it's uh, it's for being towards the old age for being that guy of like you are losing the hair. So after taking regular treatment over here, for like preferably the PRP, I have found a good way, and it's a way to develop and help me to recover my and develop my hair, and also help in my lot of lifestyle also. So it's like a boon to my lifestyle, as I'm a bit more confident now due to obvious reasons like growing hair and not looking the old guy the same way. So yes, it's been helpful to me.